is APA Hotel Sugamo. Ayan, so dito, it's a very small room. So may mga hangers sila dito. Pwede nyo sabitan ng coat. And then dito nakalagay yung aming luggage. Lahat. So ayan, hindi mo siya ma-open dito. So para ma-open mo siya, kailangan mo ilagay sa bed yung maleta. Okay. So first, I'm gonna show you the CR. So they have towels. We already used it. Malinis siya. Hi! Sobrang lamig. So meron silang amenities. Meron silang laundry bag. Okay. So kompleto yung amenities. They have toothbrush, may body towel, shower cap, meron din silang shaver, tsaka suklay. Ayan. So, actually, this is our third day already. So, meron silang cup, siguro if you need to use a cup or nagtutoothbrush. They have face and hand soap. So, yan. So, of course, a Japanese toilet. Okay. Ayan. So, very easy to use, easy to understand because meron siyang English translation. Okay, so tissue is there. Meron siyang dalawang tissue. And this is the bathtub. Okay. Ayan. It's a very small bathtub. So, ayan. And then, meron siyang body soap, shampoo, conditioner. So, you don't need to bring actually mga sabon and shampoo because they will provide it to you. Okay, so here we have the mirror on the wall. Okay, so ayan, it's a full body mirror. Hi. Okay, so this is the room. Okay, so enter tayo. So may flat screen TV. Nakatawag kami ng Netflix. Ganda yung aming Netflix login, of course. And this is the bed. Ayan. Very small, tiny room. But, okay lang kasi tutulugan lang naman. So, ayan. Kasha. Kahit natong tao pa. Ayan. So, meron silang kettle. Of course, may mga magazines. Okay. And here, may dalawang outlet. Okay. And of course, may hair dryer, yukata, facial tissue. Okay, what else? Meron silang for laundry. So, kung gusto mo magpa-laundry. And then here, meron silang coffee. So, coffee, creamer, and green tea. Okay. And then there's a mini ref. So, yan. Actually, may laman. So, yan dyan namin nilagay yung aming tea. Okay. So, meron silang 2 glasses na hindi pa namin nagagamit. Okay. And I don't know what this is for. Wala siyang amoy, actually. I tried it. Yan. Okay, what else? This is our view. It's actually a very chilly morning. So, wala tayo makita sa labas. Ayan, sobrang lamig. It's 7 degrees outside. So, ayan. Meron silang air purifier, of course. And then here, may saksakan din. Dalawang outlet. And then this is the control ng room. So, if you want to turn off the light. What else? Kung gusto mo yung night desk or night lamp lang or the bathroom. Okay, so yun. But if you want to switch on and off all the lights in the room, then you press this one. Okay. We don't have control of the air condition. So, malamig kung malamig. Okay, so they also have the clock here. So, ayan. It's just that the bed medyo sinisipon kami kasi maraming himulmol, but we will ask them to change it for us. So this is APA Hotel Sugamo.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
That is a JR station.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling